What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Hood and the Vet. Checking in with a quick video. Got a shipment, huge shipment with my clothing brand. Got one of my biggest orders, the biggest order yet so far of owning my clothing brand. One of my followers on IG spent like $600, so you know I had to record this shit. So I'm coming with y'all with a quick video. Got the Vet in the background. I will let y'all hear it real quick, but I just reached in my pocket and no keys, so yeah. Y'all can't hear it right now, but yeah, let me go pack up this order. Got hoodies and shit right here. Get these hoodies up off me, man. Eat. Yeah, it's been a pretty busy day. About to get this order ready to be shipped. Then I gotta slide out to VA. We'll see my kids, let them handle some business. That good shit. Hopefully I get some good content on the way. Yeah, man. Get this order shipped. Biggest order yet. Eat. Yeah, I got 2 orders to fulfill. Bro, I just spent $600. So there you go. 45 and 126. That's $600, bro. That's crazy, bro. Bro got that money. That's everything he bro ordered. He got both sets of sweats. No rhinestones and rhinestones. Bro lit. Bro lit. Yeah, let me grab everything, all the clothes, and, you know, get them shipped and boxed up. So let's get it, man. Okay, so bro got Trapstar shorts, Trackstar shorts, the Trapstar shirt, and the Trackstar shirt, all medium. And the rhinestone set, sweats, and no rhinestones. So, alright, so Trapstar shorts. Wear with medium. It's a large. A small, wow. Medium. Alright, so medium. 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 Got those. Oh, now I need the shirt. Medium. Fuck. Medium. Okay, so I need a set, a rhinestone set, and a no rhinestone set, medium. All right, so let's find these rhinestone sets. Scissors. I think it's large and medium. Okay. It's hot as hell in this garage. Damn, I'm about to cut the fucking clothes. Large. What the fuck? Might have some air. Okay, here's a medium hoodie.
pants. Alright, so that's a set. Now I need no rhinestones. All these rhinestones. This one the rhinestone. Medium. Small. Okay, so now I just need a no rhinestone sweatpants. Need her to get the fuck up out of this heat. Alright. Alright, this is a no rhinestone, but I'm not sure what sizes are in here, so let's crack it open and see what's up in this motherfucker. It's so hot in this garage, man. I'm gonna have to take another shower. Alright, medium should be in here. Medium. It in. Hopefully all this shit fit in the box. Alright, so this is the basketball shorts. You got one in every color. Blue medium. White medium. Red medium. Black medium. Fucking BB the cut. I touched the dope before I touched 100 and it won't enough. So this is everything that bro ordered. That's $600 worth of clothes. Yeah, this $600 worth of clothes right here. Let's get everything packed so we can weigh it out. You feel me? The trap house. Got the stove right here, pots and pans, you feel me? So now let me stop playing. What's up, Let's be packed up. Put this in first. Like in VV with the cut. Oh, it fit. It fit right in there.
Make house in the sun.
This shit ain't gonna fit, is it? Bro got a fucking HoodStar care package, bro. I need to put the thank you note in that bitch. I want to put a thank you note in that shit for real. Do I got time to go print one? I do for real. Alright, let me get this print. Let me print it. Make it eat dick. Hey, anybody know how to work this thing right here? Like, watch this shit, yo. I be tweaking when it comes to this thing, yo. Is this how you do it, yo? Oh, of course it worked the first time, bruh. When I'm recording it, it works the first time. That's crazy, bruh. Every time I do this shit, it take 4 or 5 times to fucking do this shit, bruh. It worked the first time now because I'm recording. And it don't want y'all to see and help me. That's insane, bruh. All right, let me get this shit. All right, let's see how much this motherfucker weigh. Hey, you don't have to be 100% accurate. I'm gonna just say 120 ounces. Is that 120? Is that one? Yeah, that's 119. So 120 ounces. So fuck it. Let's go with that. Ounces. 120. Make sure I blur that out. Oh yeah. Got a HoodStar care package. You need. All right, so my printer not hooked up, so I had to go quick package ship, get the thank you note, print it out. I ain't want to be half-assed and not send a thank you note to the biggest order I never got. So yeah, I made the time to get the thank you note. You're welcome. Stuff on. And my motherfucking card dirty as shit. Y'all don't need to see all this, bro. So we are pulling up at the post office, and of course it's deep as fuck at this motherfucker, bro. I'm gonna park in the handicap, fuck it. There should no boys being here to, you know, ticket. It should be quick. Hopefully I'll be quick.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got a package. Just gotta close it up. Appreciate
This
it.
is priority. Let's use priority date.
All right, thank you.
Oh, no. Look. Don't let it fill out. Ain't no.
So we haven't.
Thank you. The bottom one time too.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
I got mail blown out. I brought that in the other day. Do we-
Thank you, man.
For Terry and Rob. Yeah, anytime you do a priority, use our stuff.
Okay. All right, I got you.
Individual or entire. Just to save yourself the
Yeah, yeah. Appreciate
Choose
it.
your receipt there.
Sorry.
I asked why there, they said no. I'm like, well, all right, tracking's here at the top, so then at the bottom. You have a great weekend.
You too, man.
See, we don't want to do that.
In and out. That's how I like it. ED. That's your bitch. No, I'm playing. I ain't talking to my supporters. I'm talking to my haters. Damn, my motherfucking windshield dirty as shit though. See the VVS's. See the VVs. Right before you dicey, VVs, ice. Alright, now it's time to get my day started, man. ED. Got all business out the way. Now it's time to pack. Head to VA. See my kids. Handle some business. Might get some kitty cat. I can't say what I really want to say because, you know. Alright, so I just finished up getting this order out. Big ass HoodStar care package. Shout out to Stefan. Hey, make sure y'all follow that man, bro. My biggest supporter so far on my clothing brand. Hey, man, that's love, bro. Bro said he spent $600 with your boy, bro. Like, that's, you know how much trust you gotta have to spend $600 with an unknown brand. Like, my brand ain't even known like that. This nigga spent $600, but hey, shout out to him. I'm about to go get some cigars so I can roll up, and I'm about to pack, head to VA, see my kids, and yeah, about to work on some content. Hopefully I can have this video up later today or tomorrow. When you did, make sure y'all like, subscribe. YouTube starting to go up. Instagram almost 80K. TikTok going up. Yeah, make sure y'all show love, man. The next biggest influence. You feel me? Hood in the vet, man. Check it out. ED.